Good to have you on, Adam. You've been in a nice space lately. The Fidelity Select Semiconductor portfolio, I would think, has benefited from, a 28% weighting in NVIDIA. But it's always, what are you going to do for me now? So we heard from Micron this week. Obviously, we've heard from Jensen Huang a lot. Give me your take overall in terms of where things stand, particularly and, of course, because of the advances when it comes to generative AI.
Sure. Thanks, Dave and Sarah. Thanks for having me on. And as you point out, that's how I think about things. It's all about going forward. It's from here in terms of our portfolios and how we're thinking about sizing, positioning, and relative risk reward in the names of those portfolios. So, as it relates to, semiconductors in general, you talked a lot about generative AI. It's got a lot of focus. Everybody knows about it. GTC was a big event this week. But there's a lot more to semiconductors right now than just generative AI, right? You've got the cyclical dynamic that's been massive due to COVID. You had, the shortages and then the oversupply, and now we're kind of coming through that. And then you add in this whole geopolitical overlay. It's made semiconductors probably the most interesting space you've seen in 20 plus years in terms of people thinking about domestic supply, how to, make sure you have assurance of supply across all geographies, and different dynamics going on across all these other end markets, right? From PCs to autos to smartphones. And so I do think overall AI will have a big overlay. We're seeing it, dramatically in the cloud and data center space and the infrastructure that's going in there to support a lot of the training of these models and inference over time. But you're going to see a reimagination of all these end markets, all these end applications from PCs, smartphones, and even things like auto, as well as your microwave. In the sense that to adopt AI, you're going to need more computing power. You're going to need more memory, more power management. So it changes, the design and redesign of all these applications.
Yeah, and that reimagination that you talk about, give our viewers some sense as to what they can expect. I know it's not tomorrow or even the next day, but it's going to be here soon.
Yeah, no, I think that's the way to think about it. This AI problem of all these tech trends I've been following for 20 plus years, this one is really hard. So it's going to take time. People have to be patient. This is not going to be a straight line. There's going to be bumps along the way. And what I would say to people is, think about this technology and innovation and the challenges associated with it, that they need to be patient. But you're starting to see certain applications. Obviously, Microsoft's Copilot, a couple other software productivity tools are being rolled out. But you'll see more and more. Clearly, there's a lot of conversation about AI on the edge or doing it locally with a PC or smartphone. I think that's going to take time. So overall, I think, people need to be patient with this trend, but it's, as I like to say internally, AI overall is probably underhyped as a technology. Some of the stocks may be overhyped or anticipating some of this trends maybe a little bit too early, and the fundamental benefit may take longer than people think.